Alright everyone, here's some cookies I made. I just did a quick video today because I didn't feel like making you guys wait the whole 30 minutes while they chill in the refrigerator. Here's the result. It came out really well. But for the ingredients, let me see, I used a half a cup of unsalted butter. But if you use butter that has salt in it, just minus the salt in the recipe. Just do half, or you can really do none. I use a half a cup of peanut butter, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2/3 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I just been using this because I got it from Sam's Club in a big quantity. 1 large egg, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt. And for the salt, if you do use the butter with the salt, just do a half a teaspoon. But to be safe, you can just use the unsalted butter. That's what the recipe calls for. 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. And for the recipe, you mix your peanut butter and your butter until smooth. The brown sugar and your granulated sugar you mix in with the peanut butter and butter until it's creamy. You beat in your vanilla extract, your 1 large egg, your baking soda and salt. Then you slowly mix in your flour until the dough forms. Stir in your chocolate chips. And then make the measurements of cookies you want. I just went with these little ones. Let's zoom in here. I just went with some little cookies, so they're nice and little and chewy. They came out really good. You want to put them in the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 12 minutes. But after you're done doing the dough balls and you put them on your pan, you put them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Let them sit in the refrigerator. When they come out, press them down a little bit with a spoon, a fork. Just flatten them as much as you like. I should have flattened them a little more, but they're good like this. So, thank you for watching. Thank you all my subscribers. Appreciate everyone coming to my channel, watching the videos. God bless.